Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure you can access the account and recovery options. Once done, back up anything you need so nothing is lost. Make sure you have a clear photo or scan of a government ID or an acceptable alternate document. Then, open Facebook on desktop for full controls. Navigate directly to settings to avoid mobile menu limits. You want to be logged in as the account owner because the verification flows require active access to submit and receive status updates. Once in security and login, locate the Identify Yourself or Identity Confirmation prompt and follow the guided steps. Choose the document type that matches the name on your profile. Upload a clear, well-lit image. Don't crop important edges, and include a short description explaining why you're removing the verification step. After submission, record any confirmation number. Make sure notifications are enabled so you receive follow-ups. If Facebook offers an alternate verification route, try that concurrently to speed resolution. When Facebook responds, follow any final instructions precisely, accept requests, confirm identity links, or complete brief forms. Once removal is confirmed, clear browser cache, sign out then back in, and enable two-factor authentication to keep the account secure without intrusive identity checks. If the request is denied, read the rejection reason, correct the issue, better photos or matching name documents, and reapply promptly. Troubleshooting tip: if you're stuck, use a different device and network, and re-upload the documentation with improved lighting and legible text to avoid automatic rejection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.